Good afternoon, student. So, as a TD activity of the group discussion, followed by TD activity regarding the importance of nucleic acid and enzyme. So, for the course Biology for Engineer, going to be given their ideas and their group discussion and what to say their in terms of TD activity, starting from empathize, getting into define, ideate, prototype and test, and what are the various possibilities and potentials are available in the present thing. So what happened? The importance of the various TD activity, the empathize going to be given by Saktivel and followed by the idea, and the define is going to be given by Surya and followed by the what to say kite symbol. Prototype and idea going to be given by the idea is going to be given by biology, and finally test and eval is going to be given by Naveen. So the post student of the final CSE, the importance of nucleic acid and enzyme. Already we know what happened. The nucleic acid and enzyme, a part of a gene, the transport of the gene from an ancestor to the his what to say his sibling, that is quite simple, from his father to his son, and followed by the antibiotics and then heredity and followed by of everything. So here the nucleic acid in terms of DNA, deoxynucleic acid and ribonucleic acid, followed by genes, chromosome, metabolism, heredity, going to be addressed by of the all the post students of the final CSE. So I am going to give the chance to give the first course of the TD activity, empathize.
Empathize phase. Good. Understand user biological needs and problems. Nucleic acid, DNA and RNA carry genetic information, acts as the instruction manual for life. When enzyme activity is disrupted in chromosomes due to pH temperature, metabolism suffers. It acts as the biological catalyst, sustaining for life reactions. The term nucleic acid is defined from the word nucleic acid that shows catalytic activity. Ribosomes are found in nature and it is mainly used for peptide bond formation. DNA is mostly used for blueprint for the life organisms and most viruses. Nucleic acid is a cell present in our body for the energy which produces in metabolism. The well-known structure of the DNA double helix is used for carrying our genetic information for the next generations.
Now the second phase of the TD activity, that is of a question mark define of the importance of nucleic acid and enzyme.
In order to define a given problem statement, define a problem statement based on the biological problems. Example problem statement was people with the enzyme which is find difficult to process food, which is leads to the deionization and failed to DNA replications, which leads to the DNA issues, which is found to difficult at first. Define.
Now the third process of our TD activity regarding the importance of nucleic acid and enzyme, that is an IDA, going to be given by
IDA. Goal: generate a innovative biological or a technological solution. Design a enzyme-based biosensors to detect the disease easily. Develop a enzyme mimetics or enzyme nano enzymes for industrial catalysis. Use a DNA storage system for a long time, so economic friendly storage.
So the last stage, that is regarding a prototype test, going to be given by your
Prototype. Good. To build a models or a system, models or a systems. To build a NS models like genetic disorder and glucose to lactose, and then to have it's used to clean the city environment surrounding them. DNA have two types of DNA. One thing is DNA and another thing is rDNA. DNA is mainly used in fingerprint systems, and all other systems. RNA is commonly used for some other systems like all thing in our day-to-day life. Day-to-day life is used for it's used for basically building a generation of generation towards other generation. It's used to build a generation to other generation, and thank you. It's my.
So from the first student regarding our TD activity, in terms of the evolvent testing, we need to test out the nucleic acid and followed by enzyme in terms of your heredity, blueprint, and followed by chromosomes, and followed by what to say your fitness, that is your concern in terms of your fitness in terms of the metabolism. So the nucleic acid and then quite simple enzyme like of DNA, RNA, chromosome, gene, metabolism, totally focusing. And by TD we will be getting into the activity of the empathize, define, prototype, test, and then followed by test and evolve, and followed by iterate. We find out the number of technologies are available presently with help of the biotechnology, biosensor, stem cell, life cells, and followed by our artificial intelligence. Everything are available presently and everything. So today gives an idea what is the potential of the biotechnologies, and then followed by how the biotechnology equally emerging as an IT in terms of doing of endeavors in the medical field. I am trying to all the post students of the final CSC give their idea about the importance of nucleic acid and enzyme. Once again, I thank you all the post students. Thank you, students.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.